doing? It's Bonnie.
And Lenny again.
Happy Friday evening.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh,
it's been a long Black Friday.
We didn't even go shopping, which is the funny thing.
No, but we've been involved with products all
We
day
have.
long.
This has been so much fun hanging out with you and doing Black Friday videos. So Lush is actually not a Black Friday video because they don't do a Black Friday sale. You know what they do? They do Boxing Day.
Oh, that's the 26th of
yes,
December.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
the English.
Yes, the English. Well, Lush is English.
Oh. Lush is English.
So if you're not familiar with Lush, I've been doing Lush videos for years and years and years. Ethical buying, 100% vegetarian, handmade, naked, fighting animal testing, fresh. So they do a lot of fresh stuff. You haven't experienced life until you've experienced Lush. So I have an array of Lush things to share with you.
Luscious.
And check it. We're drinking Dr. We switched
we
to
need
Dr.
something
Pepper.
refreshing.
Mm.
Dr. Pepper.
So good. Oh my gosh. I'm loving the Dr. Pepper.
It's
It's a good
been so long
drink.
since I've had a soda, really.
It's good. So, oh my gosh, are you ready? This is going to be so much fun. We're going to open this box. If you've never been to a Lush store, it's like literally a carnival for your senses. It's colorful, the aroma. So, I'm just going to have you stick your nose in here and smell. That's what the Lush store smells
my God.
like. I know.
You know, it's like a kid's playground for adults.
It is.
I mean, it's like,
oh my gosh,
man.
it is. Okay, we have a problem because we need the garbage can. I'm gonna have you just grab the garbage can for a second because there's a lot of peanuts in here.
Okay.
Lush packaging. Believe it or not, these are actually edible. Well, they're like
Really?
Well, I wouldn't recommend eating them. If you put them in water, they dissolve. So that's why they're like you can just recycle these. They just kind of like disappear.
Okay.
So we got to take out. This is going to be your job. I'm going to have you.
Okay.
Because you have the garbage can.
It will look like it's
Yes,
snowing.
we're going to get it. Anytime you open a Lush package, it's always fun because we've got so much stuff. Okay.
Whoa.
I know. A couple more handfuls. You know what they try to do? Like no plastic, so that's why we have so much stuff. Okay.
That's good. That liberated.
Okay. So, we're gonna experience Lush Christmas. Look at this. Isn't this cute? So you can order these amazing Christmas gifts off Lush, pre-wrapped.
Ooh,
Chocolatey orange.
Chocolate orange.
Chocolatey orange. So we're gonna pretend it's Christmas, and we're gonna open up our
Is
little
this candy?
Christmas. No, it smells like candy.
Oh.
It's your pants product.
Oh, okay.
This is all bad stuff. So, and these are so cute because look, it says who packed it right up here. Isn't that cute?
Oh, lovingly packed by Thon's team.
I know, isn't that neat?
Yeah.
I just think that's so adorable. Okay, so in here we have a couple of different products. We have a Posh chocolate, and we have an orange. So, you have a little card here. Oh, 10% off. I didn't even know they had these coupons. Lush usually doesn't go on sale. That's interesting. They're doing coupons now. So the first one, this is actually a body wash in chocolate that you can use. This is like amazing. I want you to smell that. It's a body wash. Doesn't it smell just delicious?
Didn't Anne Margaret cover herself in chocolate in the musical Tommy?
That is very possible. I reached in about towels.
This real? You sure this isn't food?
Yeah, like put a little bit on your hand. I know.
Wow, it really is.
I know.
Like
it's like all on.
I would think this is chocolate pudding.
I know.
Like a dense, rich
I know.
chocolate ganache.
It is a body wash.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so you can
That's scary. I mean, someone could
bathe in this.
It is definitely chocolate.
Okay.
Dark chocolate.
I know. So you're going to mix your orange. You know, you mix orange and chocolate.
Yeah.
This is a body scrub in orange, packed with vitamin C. So
in case you eat it.
Smell that.
Wow.
I know. This is fresh. Like this.
There's a lot of zest in here.
This is. Look at this. Yeah, it's like a scrub. So you're going to scrub yourself down in the orange, and then you're going to wash yourself with the
Chocolate orange.
Yeah. Isn't that I'm
That's
actually glad I
that's
got
kind of a
that.
holiday.
It is
That's
a
kind of a
holiday. The
holiday
chocolate
scent.
orange. Oh,
Chocolate orange. Yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm excited to use those. Okay.
Wow.
So next up, I've got a giant bottle of Dirty Spring Wash. This is the only body wash my husband will use.
Dirty spring
It's
wash.
called Dirty Spring Wash, and it's actually spearmint. And the big bottles, they're a little pricey, the big bottles, but they last forever. Would you get a whiff of this?
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Very minty.
It's refreshing.
It's winter mint.
Yeah, it's like a really nice,
Whoa.
beautiful, like
That'll wake you up in the
yeah,
morning.
this is I know. You want to talk about waking up in the morning?
Mm.
The Dirty Spring Wash. So that's
I
exciting.
wonder what they call dirty.
I don't know.
Anyway.
Okay. Have you ever used a hair bar? Probably not.
Hair bar.
Yeah.
Like,
so
oh,
what
like
you
that,
do
this is like
actually
shampoo.
men love these.
This is like shampoo.
This is shampoo.
This is, you know what though? This is great for my body hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously, this would work.
that would
Yeah.
be something that would, wow.
I know. So that's called
Ooh.
scenic, and there's actual seaweed in there,
Hmm.
and they're kind of nice. Exactly.
That'd be all like
I
this.
know. Isn't that nice?
That is nice.
I know.
That has a nice fresh.
It does.
Even though it's seaweed, it's not like smelly seaweed.
No, I know. So
This is like the Blue Lagoon.
I love this one because you know what? The seaweed makes my hair really shiny. So I love using that. That's amazing.
This is
Okay.
interesting.
The next one is called Sticky Dates. So this one is
I knew that these products were meant for couples. I knew it.
they do. They do have some interesting marketing around this.
It's very sensuous
Yes,
marketing.
it is. Argan oil, while golden castor sugar gently exfoliates for soft moisturize.
I love dates.
You gotta smell this. There's glitter in there too.
Oh wow. These are those caramely dates.
I know.
There's a kind of date called Barhi dates they're like candy.
I gotta say, there's nothing like showering with Lush. It's so like
Luscious.
decadent. I know.
Decadent and luscious.
It is.
Mm.
Like if you never tried, and what's nice about Boxing Day,
that is like a caramely date. That is
yes.
really...
So on Boxing Day, everything at Lush for Christmas is 50% off. So a lot of people who've never tried
Did
Lush,
you say 50?
50%,
50% off.
50%. Yes, it's a huge day.
It has to be a huge day for
Yes,
them.
yes, it's amazing because that's a lot of people who've never tried Lush love to try it on Boxing Day because it's so inexpensive. Another hair bar. This one is oh my gosh, Jumping Juniper.
Ooh. Yes.
Yes, Jumping Juniper.
That's what they make gin from.
Yeah.
Is juniper
That's
berries.
a really good clarifying one.
Yes.
I gotta say, I love
This
that
is
one.
yeah, wow.
Jumping Juniper. That's a good one.
That's really strong and really good.
It is.
Mm.
Okay, and I have a third hair bar. This one is called Montalbano.
Montalbano.
There's a lemon peel in there, an actual lemon.
Wow. It is.
Yep. Isn't that nice?
This
I
is
know.
that lemon balsam. I mean, it's so strong that it has like a
Exactly. Isn't that nice?
Yes.
You know what?
It has
I
a-
must have accidentally ordered 2 of these. You know what? I think this is Kismet. It's fate. I'm going to have you take one of these home and try it and give me a
Oh, I
report.
am going to try that. Yeah.
You know what? That might be good to take on your trip because then you don't have to deal with like taking a bottle of something.
This is maybe TMI, but
That's what Lush is all about.
no, but where I'm staying at my sister's,
Yeah.
and they have like a little suite.
Uh-huh.
It only has a shower.
Okay.
Because I like
You like- I know, you like- you're like your
I like to
baths.
take a lot of
I know.
Baths.
You love your bath.
so if I'm in the shower,
Mm-hmm.
this is the kind of thing I would use.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this,
You're gonna.
yeah,
I think you're really gonna like that.
yeah. So this is gonna be really good.
I think you're gonna like really enjoy that. Okay.
I think so too.
Okay. So look at this. my crown.
It's a vanilla sugar. What is it?
This is from Wicked. I think this is from the Wicked collection. It's a Glinda crown.
Okay.
It's actually.
What's it? Is it? What is it? Is it marshmallow?
It's actually a bubble. Like it's like soap.
All right, but I mean, what do you know what it is? I mean, what the ingredients?
I think it's marshmallow. I think it's like a sweet little, sweet thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's. I guess this encourages the youngsters to take their bath.
Yeah. Yeah. Or the 50 crowd that
over the 50 crowd that
to
needs
wear
their crown, their
needs to wear a
tiaras.
crown in the shower.
But wait a minute, but this is for your body.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Oh, I guess. Look,
Yeah,
look,
it's like
look,
a little-
look,
yeah,
look
look at that.
Look, it fits the arm.
Yes, it does. Isn't it nice?
Let's put it the right way, like that. Like,
Yes.
like you wear it. Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay. So next up, okay, Coco's barking. Yeah, can you shut the door?
Sure.
Just because the dog is. We don't want the dog. We have to get ready for the rest of the Lush. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. This is actually an interesting product. These are massage bars. Massage oil.
You definitely need two people for that.
You should smell this.
One to massage and one to be massaged. That's very clever.
Yes.
Ooh.
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
It's actually massage oil in a bar.
This is definitely like. I mean, it's a little stronger than I would have expected. However,
Yeah.
it really takes me into those Zen
Yeah,
spas.
it is.
This smells like a Zen spa.
Yeah, here's my. You know what?
Where
this is
you're-
good because I have my. little
Yeah.
machine here. I might have the.
I would love to have a massage with this.
That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, so
Mmm.
these have fair trade coconut butter, organic shea butter, dark Sumantran patchouli oil, Brazilian orange oil, lavender oil, pine oil, lemongrass. Yeah.
And look what it's called. Karma.
Yes, it's called Karma.
Was I not right on when I said a
Yes,
Zen spa?
you were very right on.
This is I can hear that Zen music playing while I'm
Yeah.
getting a massage.
I know, isn't it amazing?
And this in the air
I
and
know.
on my body.
Mm-hmm.
That's beautiful. This is cool. This is really cool.
I know,
This
it
is
is.
what
These
I
are-
wasn't sure what to expect.
Yeah, so Lush is definitely, it's Lush. Okay, I think I've shown you one of these before. I love these. They're a little bit.
Oh, and this was the why. I said, why? Why turn your water black? Is
no,
that it?
no, this
This
not,
isn't that.
I had to get rid of my bath bombs because we no longer have a bathtub either because I got the shower
Oh, right,
from my
right.
mom.
Okay.
So I love my bath bombs, but it's okay. But, you know, one day I'll get a big bathtub in the basement. You know, I want to turn our basement. I want a jacuzzi tub.
Yes.
This is a Twilight shower jelly, and you can use these in the shower. So hold your hand out.
Twilight
this is
as in the movie Twilight?
No, I think it's just a color, but
It's
these are a little slippery in the shower, but they're
but
fun.
you know what? It has an iridescence.
It does. Isn't that nice?
That is really look how
I know.
that's
Smell it.
it's
It smells
iridescent.
like they're so natural. Like I love the scent of these. Let me see what this one is. This one
Does it
is
have like herbs, sage,
lavender flower.
lavender?
What else does it have? Tonka ylang ylang. Is that how you say it?
I think Yangling.
Yeah.
Ylang-ylang.
Yeah, so it's got flower infusion. There's a lot going on in these. Isn't
That's-
that beautiful?
That is.
Yeah, these are fun. They you can pop in the summer. You can pop these in the refrigerator or freezer when you're hot. You can kind of use them and get it cool down. Okay, this is a really fun product. So obviously kids like these, but I like them too. So what it is, it's called Fun, and it's like a bubblegum scent for Christmas, but they come in all different scents. But what it is, it's soap.
I feel like that's what I smelled the moment I opened.
You probably
When I
did.
said about kids,
Yeah,
I thought there was a
Yeah.
bubble gum something.
yeah. So this is fun. It's actually, you can use it as bubble bath. You can use it as soap. You can use it. It comes with these cute little flowers. But smell this, and
When I opened the box,
that's what you smell.
when I opened the box,
Yeah.
this is what I smelled,
Yeah.
and I thought,
I know.
I feel
and-
like I'm in some jungle gym for kids that adults go play
Yeah.
in.
But like a lot of adults love this stuff because
This is
it's
way
fun.
too. Yeah.
It comes in. You know what? That snow fairy scent is actually really popular with like the 20 somethings. Like there's a perfume in that. I mean, it's beyond like people love that scent. It's like it's called Snow Fairy. This is such a popular like
That is so strong
it's
to me.
strong, and then you can like have a little fun in the bed. Do I have anything else? Yeah, that's the thing about Lush. You have to like dig in your box because you're not really sure what's in there. Let me see if I got everything. Okay. Sticky date. Glinda. Oh, Glinda's tiara is fresh tulips. That's interesting. Infusion. There's tulip in there. Cardamom, orange oil, sandalwood. There's a lot. So a lot of the Lush products really do have like this really like natural scent. Aside from the Snow Fairy, the Snow Fairy is definitely their Christmas.
That feels like
I gotta say, I do like the Snow Fairy. There's something that's delicious about.
That's the equivalent of cotton candy.
It is. Yeah, it is. I know. That's not your thing.
Not my thing. Nope.
You like this. You like the
I
massage
love
bar.
it. Like this and my Palo Santo candle.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'd be zenned out.
Oh my gosh. And the chocolate's good. I love the
Definitely
chocolate.
that. But I mean,
The orange.
that's a novelty thing.
Yeah, it
And
is. I gotta say, the sticky dates is really fun. I can't wait to try this. That's a nice caramel. See how they put glitter and everything?
And this is a scrub.
That's a scrub. Those are really
Yeah.
exfoliating too.
Yeah, that smells
Yeah,
really good.
so I'm actually really excited about like my Lush haul. This is like fun. They also have they do have the Wicked collection. There's a lot of stuff in Wicked. They have their Christmas collection. Definitely shop Boxing Day because that's going to be 50% off
great
all of
day.
Christmas. So yeah, I wanted to introduce you to Lush
You
on
sure
Black
did.
Friday. How fun! So you'll have to report back on the
hair soap.
the
What
hair bar.
hair
They're called
bar.
hair bar.
Hair bar.
And I need a report. We'll have to find out what you think of it.
I love this.
Yeah.
The
Yeah, the
scent.
scenic. What's
The
the
scent.
scent?
You said it had seaweed, but it has it's more
Let's
fresh
see.
stuff.
Oh,
in it.
it's fine sea salt, nori seaweed, Sicilian lemon oil, orange flower, mimosa, and jasmine.
I knew it had more than seaweed.
Yeah,
because
it's
it
got
has
a
a
lot of
really
that.
lovely